Hey everyone, so this is just going to be a pretty boring sit down video, more of an update on the past 4, 5, 6 years, where I've been and what I've been up to. So, yeah, as I'm going into 2023, I plan to make a lot more content, whether it's a series or streaming or like a day in the life of. But obviously, this YouTube channel's been kind of dead for the past, like, well, at least 4 years, but even then it was like mostly streams, and before that it was like 8 or 10 years ago. So obviously, I've always been developing things along the side and working with companies and so on. And then, as of maybe like 6, 7 years ago, it got to a point where I was kind of like not earning enough from YouTube to really dedicate too much time towards it, and just like my work took priority. So literally for the past 6, 7 years, that's all I've been doing is working along startups. I've had a lead position in front end and back end, and after my last app got acquired, I joined and have been working for the past 4 or 5 years as a CTO lead position in a company. So that's just been very hands on. Recently, I've taken the decision to found my own company. And in doing so, I want to kind of like build up a community again, help out some people if I can. Obviously, a lot of my time will be spent towards making products for my company, but yeah, I just kind of want to start up YouTube again. I enjoy it, and I think it's going to be really fun. Um, so the next series that I'm going to make is going to be kind of a full stack application series, not using something like Next.js where that's like very much like a dedicated web stack, but a, a dedicated API that's written in Node.js that we can expand upon. So like communicating with WebSockets or databases, and then learning how to scale that in a production environment, securing user data, authentication, all of that bit stuff basically. And the idea behind that is basically to give you guys a foundation that you can go out and build any app that you kind of want, whether it's an iOS app, a web app, or anything. But also give me the foundation to teach further lessons on YouTube and have that kind of in my back pocket to refer back to as we make like Swift tutorials for an iOS app connecting to an API, or React Native tutorials, and or web front end tutorials, and so on and so on. So yeah, as I'm making these, I will be full time at my own startup. So obviously, a lot of my time will be spent towards building apps and stuff for my startup. But I plan to be active on the Discord server that I set up. You can find the link down in the description. I'd love for you guys to join it. Obviously, I'm looking for moderators and people to help maintain the server. But the idea there is just for any sort of developer, whether you're writing your first line of code, whether you've been coding for 10, 12 years, to come in, help each other out, just chat, and yeah, hang out. Just like a fun place to, yeah, share what you're doing and get help from other developers and that sort of thing. So yeah, I may be releasing some day in the life videos. I think that'd be really fun. Sort of like weekly updates on what it's like to found your own company and the process behind that, and what stuff you need to deal with every day. And then also like the tech side, so building apps and what I'm working on, and sort of like progress update videos. I think that'd be fun alongside sort of like tutorial series and like live streaming and that side of things. So yeah, I thought I'd just give everyone an update. That's where I've been for the last like 7 years. It's been a crazy ride. I've learned tons and tons and tons of stuff from like being a management level to like leading code to reviewing code to just a handful of things that I think will be really handy for me to pass along down, and hopefully learn a lot from me, and I can learn a lot from you guys, and build up just like a friendly community that help each other grow, improve in all aspects of whether it's like career advice or specific development topics or that sort of thing. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in sticking around for, obviously join the Discord, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hopefully see you soon for the next series. Bye.